from 6sense. Today we will have a look at the SRC600 Controller user interface options. On this model we have an optional CO2 sensor and humidity sensor fitted, as well as the unit has always a built-in temperature sensor. What we can see here is rotating between the humidity and temperature readings. As default, it can also show the CO2 reading. So if we go to the settings, in the settings screens, inputs and outputs, we can go, there is inputs outputs menus, humidity display is enabled, CO2 is disabled. So if I enable the CO2 display, and I can also go to the system screen, and I can change the speed, how quickly the screen is rotating. So cycle time is gonna be fast. So we go back and return. The unit does a short reboot, and we go back to the front screen. What we now see, there's a room temperature, there is a humidity display, and then there is a CO2 sensor reading, and those are rotating on a display. So now if we want to disable all of those and just show the set point, this is also possible. So we just go to the user interface settings again, inputs and outputs. We go to the, instead of showing the room text, we don't show any text, so we rotate all the options that are available for the text, and we disable the room sensor. We also disable the humidity display, and we disable the CO2 display. So if we now go back to the front screen, you can see there is no measurements showed on a display. The device obviously continues to using those measurements for its control logic, or to be connected to BMS, and you can read those values over the BMS.